In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Cadillac Escalade located at the base of your windshield. Now the wiper arm itself is going to be shaped like a J, and that goes around and it hooks underneath. Now there's a little tab right here that when you want to release the wiper blade, you want to press down on this here and then pull the wiper off of the arm itself. So let's go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and grab that wiper arm and you can lift it up. Now in this case, you can flip it all the way up to do this job. And that little tab I just showed you is going to be on the back side. So it's going to be inside this area here. So you can just use your finger. You're going to go into the back side here, press that tab down and pull that wiper blade towards you like so. Hold on to this here, bring it down gently, set it down. If you want, you can put a towel or a rag or something here. Don't drop that down, it will break your windshield. You want to go ahead and take the new wiper assembly here, lift up the arm, and you're going to take the hook part or the J side of this here, and you're going to feed the wiper up into it, push it up, and you'll hear it and feel it lock into place. Just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's locked on, rest it down. Go ahead and repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.